Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you are rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to what? Another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Brilliant Katha.
Hi dear students, good evening. Welcome to the live DPP discussion. Today we discuss the very important, simple, interesting chapter gravitation. Okay, moving to the questions. 1. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is reason. Assertion is, if we move from poles to equator, the direction of acceleration due to gravity of Earth always points toward the center of the Earth. That is okay. Without any variation in its magnitude. That is incorrect. The magnitude of acceleration due to gravity is changing. Okay. So the statement assertion is incorrect. Right? Then at equator, the direction of acceleration due to gravity is towards the center of the Earth. That is okay. Toward the center of the Earth. Here, assertion is false, but reason is true. Okay. Assertion is false, but reason is true. That is the option D. Okay. Very simple question. Right? Yes. Then the next one. A body is projected vertically upwards from the surface of Earth with a velocity equal to 1/3 of escape velocity. Consider Earth. From the surface of Earth, a body is projected vertically upward with a velocity equal to 1/3 of escape velocity, VE by 3. Okay. The maximum height attained by the body will be equal to. What is the maximum height attained? Okay. The maximum height attained, we have a formula there, h is equal to u square by 2g. But this formula we don't use here because this is used when acceleration is constant, isn't it? When acceleration is constant. Okay. But in this situation, during the motion of this ball vertically upward, the acceleration due to gravity varies. Clear? So we don't use this formula. Instead, we can apply the concept of conservation of mechanical energy. Because here, work is done only by the gravity, which is a conservative force. Thus, we can apply the conservation of mechanical energy theorem that initial kinetic energy plus initial potential energy is equal to final kinetic energy plus final potential energy. Clear? The initial kinetic energy is half into mvu square plus what the initial potential energy of the particle is minus gmm by r minus gmm divided by radius of Earth. Isn't it? Is equal to the final kinetic energy when the body coming to rest, its final velocity is 0. Okay. This maximum height is asked. See. Then what is the final kinetic energy? 0. And final potential energy is minus gmm divided by small r. Okay. What is this small r? Is the distance of the body from the center of the Earth. Distance of the body from the center of the Earth, small r, which is equal to r plus h. This h is asked in the question. Clear? Okay. This small m can be cancelled. Now this one we can multiply this equation with 2. We get u square minus 2gm by r is equal to minus 2gm sorry, this small m is already cancelled, minus 2gm divided by r. Okay, now we know what is this 2gm by r. You know, students, we know this 2gm by r is square of escape velocity. Square of escape velocity is, okay, 2gm by r. So we get this is u square minus ve square is equal to minus, here we can multiply and divide with r. Then what about this one? This one is also square of escape velocity. Okay, minus ve square into r by r, isn't it? Now here in the question it is given that u is equal to, yes, u is equal to ve by 3. So its square is ve square by 9. Okay, ve square by 9 minus ve square is equal to minus ve square into r by r. Okay, so here ve square is cancelled. V square is cancelled, we get this is 1 by 9 minus 1. 1 by 9 minus 1 is equal to minus r by r. Okay, minus r by r, isn't it? Now this negative is taken to this side, means 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to r by r. Okay, now this is equal to 8 by 9, which is equal to r divided by, what is this? Small r is r plus h. Yes, small r is r plus capital H. Okay, now this one is 8r plus 8h is equal to 9r, which means 8h is equal to r. Okay, it's very simple solution, right? Then maximum height is r divided by 8. Now what is the radius of earth given in the question is 6,400 kilometer. 6,400 divided by 8 kilometer, which is equal to what the answer is? The answer is 800 kilometers. See, 800 kilometers, very simple answer only. Okay, so this is the height, maximum height reached by the projectile if it is projected from the surface of the earth with a velocity less than that of escape velocity. Understood? Very simply done. So the important idea is to apply the conservation of mechanical energy in this particular case. Okay, very good. Now moving to the next one, third. The distance between sun and earth is r. Okay, the duration of year, if the distance between sun and earth becomes 3r will be. So the duration of year depends on the distance between sun and the planet. That is a very well-known famous Kepler's third law. We have the square of the time period of the planet around the sun is proportional to cube of the semi-major axis. Here it is given as r first. Okay, now t proportional to r raised to 3 by 2. Clear? Now the second time period divided by first time period is equal to second distance divided by first distance all raised to 3 by 2, isn't it? Now the second distance is given as 3r and the first distance is given as r itself. So this is 3r by r all raised to 3 by 2. Okay, this is 3 all raised to 3 by 2. Okay, 3 cube raised to 1 by 2. 3 cube raised to 1 by 2, that is 3 into 9 all raised to 1 by 2. In that way we can write. Okay, this is equal to 3 root 3, isn't it? T2 by T1. So T2 is equal to 3 root 3 into T1. Okay, and what is T1? T1 is 1 year. T1 is 1 year. In the first case it is 1 year. Okay, so this is equal to 3 root 3 years. Okay, this is the answer. Very simply done by applying Kepler's third law of planetary motion. Okay, option 4. Very good. Now fourth question is a body weighs W is projected vertically upwards from the Earth's surface to reach a height above the Earth which is equal to 9 times the radius of the Earth. Okay, the height is, see, a body is projected vertically upward to reach a height h is equal to 9 times the radius of the Earth. Okay, so from the center of the Earth the total distance will be 10r. Okay, now the weight of the body at that height will be, what is the weight of the body at that height? We know weight is directly proportional to g. We know weight is equal to mg. Clear? So weight at a height divided by weight on the surface is equal to g at a height divided by g on the surface. Okay, we have the formula of g at a height is g on the surface into r by r all square. Okay, this is the important formula for value of acceleration due to gravity at a height h from the surface of the earth. Okay, and now this small r is the distance from center of the earth. Okay, now what about this wh divided by w is equal to gh by g. Gh by g is r by r whole square. Okay, r by r whole square, r divided by what is small r is 10r, distance from center is 10r, 10r whole square. Okay, this is 1 by 100. Okay, then what is the weight at that particular height is weight on the surface divided by 100. Very easily done. All these questions are asked in the previous JEE examinations, but very simply done. Okay, this is the chapter gravitation, very interesting chapter, very simple chapter. Okay, 100 w divided by 100 is the answer, option B. Okay, okay, nice. The next question number 5, spherical insulating ball, two balls, one is spherical insulating ball and spherical metallic ball of same size and mass are dropped from the same height. Okay, choose the correct statement out of the following. Assume negligible air friction. Okay, time taken by them to reach the earth's surface will be independent of the properties of their materials. Here is a mistake. See, one is metallic, while it is moving down, it is cutting the magnetic field lines of the earth. Actually, this question is regarding the concept of eddy current. We studied that, eddy current. Okay, the metallic sphere is moving down, it is cutting the magnetic field lines. This metallic sphere is moving down, it is cutting the magnetic field lines, suppose. Then there will be eddy current formation in the metallic sphere which leads to energy wastage. Okay, so the energy of metallic sphere will be wasted in the form of heat due to the formation of eddy current. Means the metallic sphere lags. Metallic sphere takes more time to reach the ground. That's the important concept here. So this one is incorrect. Second one, insulating ball will reach the surface earlier than the metallic sphere. That is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Both will reach the surface is incorrect. Metal ball will reach earlier is incorrect. The answer is option B. Option B only. Okay. The important concept of eddy current formation to be understood here. Clear? Okay. Now sixth one. At a certain depth d below surface of earth. At a depth d, consider this earth. From the surface at a depth d, consider this point at a depth d. Now from the center, let this distance be r. That is equal to, let this distance be r to this is r minus d. Okay. From the center. Clear? Okay. Now what they are saying that at a certain depth d below the surface of the earth, comma, value of acceleration due to gravity becomes 4 times that of its value at a height 3r above the surface. At a height 3r, at a height h is equal to 3r. What is the acceleration due to gravity here? G 3r, this value, and the acceleration due to gravity at the depth. At the depth, this GD, both of these values are equal, they are saying. Okay, these values are equal given in the question. Okay, where r is the radius of the earth. Good. The depth d is equal to, what is the depth d is asked. Clear. What is the equation of acceleration due to gravity at a depth d is equal to the value on the surface into 1 minus d by r. Clear? Yes. Now this value, this g into 1 minus d by r is equal to the value at this height. What the value at the height is? G into r divided by r whole square. Okay, already mentioned the earlier question. Okay, now g cancel, means 1 minus d by r is equal to r by r whole square. R by, what is this? R is the distance of that height point from the center of the earth. From the center of the earth, this is 3r and this is r, totally r. R plus 3r is 4r. Okay, 4r whole square. Good. R cancel, this is 1 by 16 is 1 minus d by r. Clear? Okay. Now what is this? D by r is equal to, d by r is equal to, see here it is, okay, d by r is equal to, see, d by r is equal to 1 by 16. Here this one, g into 1 minus d by r is the value at the depth. Okay, now this one, see, the value of acceleration due to r becomes 4 times. Here is a term missing there, that 4 times is there. Yes, 4 times the value. Okay, 4 times the value at the height. 4 times the value at the height. 4 times the value at the height. Yes, 4 is there. 4 should be there. 4 times. 4 times means this is 1 by 4 only. Okay, this 1 minus d by r, 1 minus d by r is 1 by 4 only, means this d by r is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, it is 3 by 4, it is 3 by 4. So what the d value is equal to 3r by 4, 3r by 4. Okay, and the r value given 6400 is known value. So this d is equal to 3 by 4 of 6400. Clear? What is 64 by 4 is 16. So this is 3 into 1600. That is equal to 4800 kilometer. Isn't it? 4800 kilometer is the answer of the question. Okay. Yes, this one 4 times of that height value is given the question. It's very simple question. Very simply done. Clear? 7th one is, if the gravitational field in the space is given by, the gravitational field in the space is given by gravitational field intensity taken as symbol as E is equal to minus k by r square. Minus k by r square. Okay. Taking the reference point to be at r is equal to 2 centimeter with gravitational potential V is equal to 10 joule per kilogram. At r value is equal to 2 centimeter, the potential at 2 centimeter, potential at 2 centimeter is given 10 joule per kilogram. Okay, that's good. Find the gravitational potential at r is equal to 3 centimeter. What is the potential at r is equal to 3 centimeter is asked. We have the connection between field intensity and gravitational potential, that field intensity is negative derivative of potential. Negative derivative of potential. Okay. Now this dV is equal to minus EdR. Okay. Minus E is equal to k by r square. Minus E is equal to k by r square. K by r square dr. Okay. Integrating both sides, integral dv from v2 to v3. Yes, these are the limits there. Is equal to integral, k is taken outside, integral 1 by r square dr from 2 to 3. Clear? So this value is v3 minus v2 on LHS, and this one k is given in the question. See, k is given in the question 6. It is given in the question. And integral 1 by r square dr r is minus 1 by r. Okay, very simple. Minus 1 by r, the limit is from 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Okay, 6 into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, 6 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Clear? 6 by 2 is 3 minus 6 by 3 is 1. 6 by 3 is 2. Okay, sorry. 3 minus 2 it is 1. Which is this? V3 minus V2 is equal to 1. Clear? Then what about V3 is equal to 1 plus V2. 1 plus V2, 1 plus, what is V2 value given? V2 value given that 10. So the answer is 11. Okay, the answer is 11. That is option B. Clear? Very simple idea, the relation between field intensity and potential difference. Okay? Yes. 8th one. The time period of a satellite of Earth is 24 hours. Time period of a satellite is 24 hours. Okay. Now, if the separation between the Earth and satellite is decreased to 1/4, okay, at a separation r, this one is t1, and what is the second time period is actually asking here. If the separation is decreased to 1/4, okay, decreased to 1/4, r by 4th, what is the new time period? Again, Kepler's third law we use. We already done one question. Kepler's third law, we get that t2 by t1 is equal to r2 divided by r1 all raised to 3 by 2. Okay, already one question done. Okay, r2 is r by 4. R by 4 by r is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 raised to 3 by 2. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 3. 1 by 2 raised to 3 is 1 by 8. Okay, t2 is equal to 1 by 8 of t1. Okay, 1 by 8 of t1 is 24 hours. Okay, 24 by 8 is 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours is the answer of this question. Very simple. Very simple 5-second question. Okay, now the 9th one. Two particles of equal mass m move in a circle of radius r under the action of their mutual gravitational attraction. Clear? Here is a circle, and consider two particles there diametrically opposite, because these two particles are moving due to their mutual gravitational force in a circular manner. That is the explanation given in the question. Means the distance between them is 2r. Distance between them is 2r. Means the radius of the circle is given r here. Clear? The speed of each particle is asked. See, we know that the centripetal force here mv square by r necessary is provided by the gravitational attraction, that is g m1 m2, that is g m square divided by square of the distance. The distance is 2r between the masses. Its square is 4r square. 4r square. Clear? 1 r is cancelled, 1 m is also cancelled. V square is equal to gm divided by 4r is here. Then what is V is equal to root of gm by 4r? Root of gm by 4r is very directly done. Root of gm divided by 4r is option D. Isn't it? Very simple. Okay. Now the final question of today's gravitation discussion, that a body of mass is taken from Earth's surface. Yeah, a body of mass is taken from Earth's surface to the height h equal to twice the radius of the Earth. Again, from Earth's surface to a point h is equal to twice the radius of the Earth. The increase in potential energy will be, what the increase in potential energy? See, the final point, there is potential energy UF mentioned as US, and here initially at the surface of the Earth the potential energy is taken as UI. Okay, what is the increase in potential energy is delta U is final value minus initial value, isn't it? And what is the expression of potential energy between the mass and the Earth is minus gmm divided by r, where r is the distance from the center to center distance. Clear? So this is equal to minus gmm divided by final distance minus gmm divided by initial distance r1. Okay, now this is equal to minus gmm divided by, what is the final distance is? This is 2r, and from the center it will be 3r. Okay, 3r minus is plus gmm divided by, what is the initial to the surface is r. Okay, very good. Now this gmm by r is common. Gmm by r is common. Here it is 1 minus here is 1 by 3. Clear? This is equal to 2 by 3 only. 2 by 3 of, and what about gm? G into capital M. G into capital M is gr square. Okay, G into capital M is gr square. Gr square into m is here. Okay, gr square into m is here, divided by r is there. Divided by r is there. Okay, 1 r is cancelled, and the answer is 2 by 3 mgr. Okay, so students, what we understood that we can easily score the questions from gravitation. Okay, keep up your good work there. See you soon. Thank you. Best of luck.
Hi all, welcome back to the Master JEE live DPP session of chemistry. So today we are going to discuss the chapter General Organic Chemistry. That's actually organic chemistry basic principles and techniques. Actually it is the basic idea of all organic chemistry. You know that this chapter is very important. So from here we are going to discuss 10 questions. I hope all of you are waiting in the comment box. Ready? Abu, yes Abu. Hi. Yes, okay. So we can start the live DPP session. So here, this is the question. Okay, this is the question. This is our 6th day. I hope you guys are doing well. So I already told in the first session, I already told, if you watch the sessions up to April 4, we are damn sure about that. We are going to crack it. Okay, we will make it, guys. Okay, so this is the first question. Most stable free radical is. Here while we are looking this one, what about the first one? What about the first option? First option is actually, while we are looking the first option, that one is actually, this is primary benzylic. Okay, this one, while we are looking this one, you can see this primary benzylic has what? It has some kind of resonance is there. Okay, primary benzylic has resonance is there. It has resonance is there. This is resonance stabilizer. This one is resonance stabilizer. Okay, this CH2 free radical. This one is resonance stabilizer. First one. What about this one? This is resonance stabilized. This is resonance stabilized, as well as it can show hyperconjugation also, because it is a, while we are looking this one, this is a primary benzylic. This is benzylic, as well as this one is this carbon free radical is attached with a 3 carbon. That's actually tertiary also. So it will become more stable, because here 3 That means total 6 alpha carbon also there connecting with this carbon. So they can show 6 hyperconjugation as well as benzene ring containing means that can show 5 resonance. So that will be more stable. More stable. What about this one? Here with the benzene ring, resonance will be there. With this CH3, they can show hyperconjugation. So that means, but here only 3 alpha hydrogen atoms are there. So compared with the 2, it is less stable. What about this one? Don't think like that both are same. Here this is not benzene ring. This is cyclohexane. So that is least stable compared to this one, because here resonance stability is there. Here resonance stability is not there. So the second one is the correct answer. I hope all of you got it. Yes. Abu Ahmed, correct. Okay. Encore games, yes, correct. Second one is the correct answer. I hope you got it. If it's so, then we can move to the next question. Ready, guys? Ready? Abu. So this is the second question. Most stable carbocation is. The previous one is actually the most stable free radical is. Here they are asking about the most stable carbocation. So carbocation, carbanion, and carbocation and free radical, carbene, nitrogen, everything we discussed in the class. Here we are giving the 10 questions, okay, from NCERT. You have to remember carbon free radical and carbocation, carbanion. Along with that, I taught you carbene as well as nitrogen also, okay. Anyhow, this is the one most stable carbocation is. Most stable carbocation is. While we are looking this one, in the case of carbocation also, its stability we are explaining in terms of what? Hyperconjugation. By using hyperconjugation. Obviously, inductive effect is there, but hyperconjugation effect is the most powerful one. Most powerful one than that of inductive effect. Then more than hyperconjugation, resonance is more powerful. We know that. So how we will check the hyperconjugation? We have to check the number of hyperconjugation by using alpha hydrogen. So carbocation is there, that attached carbon. Okay, this is sp3, this is sp2, that attached one is sp3, that sp2 attached sp3 is called alpha carbon, that containing hydrogen is called alpha hydrogen. That should be more. So if alpha hydrogen increases means more will be the hyperconjugation, that means more will be the stability. Stability will increases. Okay, that's the idea you have to remember. Hyperconjugation increases when alpha hydrogen increases that time. So while we are looking here, this carbocation, here CH2 is there, here CH. So how many alpha hydrogens are there? How many alpha hydrogens are there? Here this is sp2, this is our carbocation, our hero, that is attached with this one. Here 2 alpha hydrogen, here 1 alpha hydrogen. Total 3 alpha hydrogen atoms are there. What about here? While we are looking here, this one is attached with only 1 hydrogen. So 1 alpha hydrogen. What about this one? This one, in this case while we are looking here, this is here 3 is there, here 2 is there. So total 5 alpha hydrogen atoms are there. Along with that, one more thing is there. This is a allylic one. This one you look, double bond is there, then single bond, then plus. So this is a allylic carbocation. Allylic carbocations have more stability due to resonance. As well as this carbocation has another property, that carbocation is attached with 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. That's having tertiary nature also. So that is highly stable. That's highly stable. No doubt at all. What about here? This carbocation is connected with this sp3. This is having 2 alpha hydrogen. This is having 2 alpha hydrogen. So total 4 alpha hydrogen only. So the most stable one is third one. Ready? Yes, Abu. Ready. Guys, correct. Okay. So that's the way. While we are looking about the carbocation, you must have to look the number of alpha hydrogen. More number of alpha hydrogen means more will be the stability. Ready? Okay, guys. Then we can move to the next question. This is the next question. While we are looking this one, this is a bicyclic compound. What kind of compounds? Bicyclic compounds. So in the case of bicyclic compound, we have to start. Okay, I will draw the same thing here. You can see it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. Okay. And here COOH is there. So while we are naming the bicyclic compound, we have to number it. We have to start the numbering from any of the bridgehead. This is bridgehead, this is also bridgehead. So while we are starting from here means 1, 2, 3, and we have to move towards the more number of carbon atom containing ring. So this is the more number of carbon atom containing ring. So we have to count towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will come. But if I am counting from here means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 8. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I think one is extra here comparing with that one. One is extra here. I will write like this. Okay, I'm sorry. I will draw like this. I will draw like this. Okay. So now this will be the correct one. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, total 6 is coming. I hope it is okay. 6 is coming. Okay. So from here we can mark it. From here we can mark it. 1 is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, total 7 are coming actually. Total 7 are coming. 7 is there. Then here in this case, while we are counting this one, we have to count always towards the more number of carbon containing ring. Okay, this one not wrong. This one we can look. Okay, so towards the left hand side. So while we are counting left hand side means again we have to name the compound. We have to use bicyclo. Bicyclo first. Then we have to check the more number of carbon atom containing ring. In the case of more number of carbon atom containing ring, this is the more number of carbon atom containing ring. Here 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms are here. While we are drawing here, only 2 are there. Okay, that's the problem. So anyhow, 3 are there. So that time while we are taking that one, we can tell 3 here. Then we have to look the less number of carbon atom containing ring. This one 1, 2. 2 carbon atoms are there. So 3, 2. Then again between the bridgehead, how many carbon atoms are there? 1. This one. So 3, 2, 1. Then total how many carbon atoms are there? 7. That's why that is what? 7 means while we are counting 7 and 8. 8 carbon atoms are there. Okay, 8 carbon atoms are there. So that's why it is octane. Okay, all the carbon atoms are single bond. So octane. Okay, octane. Then we have to tell octane is there. Then we have to tell in 6th carbon carboxylic acid is there. 6 carboxylic acid. 6 carboxylic acid. So bicyclo 3, 2, 1 octane 6 carboxylic acid. That's the name. Okay, carboxylic acid is the name. So you have to check the option bicyclo 3, 2, 1 octane 6 carboxylic acid. Option C is the correct one. So whenever you are numbering the bicyclic compound means you have to start from the any of the bridgehead and in a such a way that your branch should get the minimum number. Even though COH is having highest priority, we have to count towards the more number of carbon containing ring. Don't forget it. I hope the idea is clear. Ready? Yes, Karthik. Yes, C is the correct one. Okay, ready, nice. So we can move to the next question. This is the next question. What about this question? They are giving 2 compounds they gave. Then they are asking which type of isomerism it is. We can look about this is the functional group. This is the functional group. Yes, double bond O. This is the functional group. So we know that here functional group is there. Functional group is there. Either side of the functional group, different alkyl groups are coming. Here alkyl dash is coming. Then either side of the functional group, 2 different alkyl groups are comes. Then they are showing isomerism is called metamerism. What? Metamerism. Yes, metamerism. So here while you are looking, this is cyclohexyl, this is benzene ring, I mean phenyl. Here that phenyl is connected with, now attached with sulfur here. Here phenyl is attached with oxygen. Here oxygen is attached with cyclohexane. So automatically that is metamerism. That idea is metamerism. Hope you got it. Ready? Yes, encore games. Yes, correct. C is the correct one, metamerism. Not chain, not position. So you have to remember, in the functional group, either side the alkyl group should be different. Okay, that's the idea. That's all, nothing more. This will be generally shown by ethers as well as secondary amine. That is the idea. And esters, etc. will show this kind of isomerism. Okay, so then we can move to the next question. This is the question. The IUPAC name of this compound. They gave one compound to you. It's IUPAC name only they are asking. This is the compound. Okay, so in the case of ring, it's a ring. It's not benzene ring. It's a normal ring. Okay, so here while we are numbering, we have to give the highest priority to functional group. Which is the functional group here? Functional group is, here the functional group is C double bond O. So that is ketone group. To that we have to give highest priority, that is 1. Then either we can count towards the right or towards left. So again the priority is for double bond. So we have to count towards the left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can name it. In 5 and 6 methyl group is there. So 5, 6 dimethyl. Okay, this is cyclohex 2en 1 on 2en 1 on. So this 2en is actually the primary suffix and 1 on is the secondary suffix. The compound is of the type of ketone. So what about the answer? While you are looking, you can see 5, 6 dimethyl 5, 6 dimethyl cyclohex 2 in 1 on. Option B is the correct one. 15th one B. Yes, Karthik, B. Yes, Abu. Yes. B is the correct answer. I hope you guys are getting. Yes, I'm damn sure about that. While I'm seeing the comment box, I'm feeling happy. Some are answering. I'm sure you are doing the question now. Okay, ready? So we can move to the next question. This is the next question. The IUPAC name is, again they are giving the another question with the IUPAC name. Okay, this is the question. IUPAC name. So while you are looking this one, you must have to remember, you have to find out the parent chain. Parent chain is the chain with more number of carbon atom. And if functional groups are there, means functional group containing longest chain. If more than one functional group is there, means more number of functional group containing chain will be the parent chain. Here while we are looking this one, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I'll draw it here. This one here. I'm sorry. Here it will come. Okay, this one here. This one will be coming here. Okay, this one will be coming here. So while I am counting this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. But in the ring, only 5 is there. So that's why this is the branch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So third carbon containing branch. So third carbon is, this is cyclopendyl. So what's the answer? 3-cyclopendyl hexane. Option A is the correct one. Ready? If it is if it is more than 6 means we have to give the priority to this one. The other two will become branch. Idea is clear? Ready? Yes, Abu. Option A. Ready. Then again I am going to the 17th question. The IUPAC name of this compound. Again it is a ring. Here it is CHO and here it is 2 methyl groups are there. You may be learned like that. If a cyclic compounds contain more than one branches in a carbon, we have to give the highest priority to that only when functional group is absent. Here functional group is there. That time we have to give the highest priority to the functional group. So 1 to that, then 2, then 3. Now what's the name? 3. Okay, dimethyl. Then 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon containing ring. Cyclohexane. Not over. Cyclohexane. Then not over. Here in first carbon, carbaldehyde is there, aldehyde is there. 1 carbaldehyde. That carbon you didn't mention along with, you didn't number along with this ring. So you have to use carbaldehyde. Okay, carbaldehyde, don't forget it. So what's the name? 3 dimethyl cyclohexane carbaldehyde. If it is OH means no problem, you can directly write cyclohexanol, no issue. Is it okay? So option A is the correct one. We can move to the 18th question. Yes, Encore games, correct only. Encore games and all, what all are the names? Okay, I cannot pronounce it. Okay, so anyhow, next one IUPAC name is again IUPAC name, guys. IUPAC name. Here while we are looking this one, you can see. Can you see this one? This is OCH3. OCH3 means what? Methoxy. What about this one? Ethoxy. We learned like that halogen, nitrogen compounds, ethers always come as prefix. Prefix means what? Prefix. That we are fixing always before the word root. So that means always before the number of carbon atom. That will be always come as a branch. So now we have to give the numbering. So this is the main functional group. C double bond O is the main functional group. That should have to get the minimum number. So while I am counting from here 1, 2, 3, from here also 1, 2, 3. So branch should get the, here ethoxy is there, methoxy is there. Which one will have the highest priority? In the case of branches, highest priority purely on the basis of alphabetical order. Here M, here E. Which one will come first? E. So that should have to get the minimum number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So what's the name? 2-ethoxy. In second carbon, ethoxy is there. Fourth carbon containing methoxy is there. Then that is pentan. Pentan. 3 on. That's the name. 2-ethoxy, 4-methoxy, pentan 3 on or 3 pentanone. No problem. Option B is the correct one. Ready guys? Ready? Option B. Yes, option B is the correct one. If it's so, then we can move to the next question. This one. Look at this question. I think while we are discussing this question, I am trying to include all the types of varieties of naming, how to name, how to give the priority, that everything I am trying to include it. Okay. So you have to watch the video properly. Ready? So again, if you have any doubts also, you can comment in our chat box. We can help you. Okay guys, ready? So again, this is the compound. This is the compound they given. Here Cl is there. Here Br is there. Okay. And here double bond. Here triple bond. In a compound, double bond is there, triple bond is there. We must have to remember, double bond should have to get the highest priority. Then only triple bond will come. So the numbering should be in a such a way that 1, double bond should get the highest priority. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the branches are bromine and chlorine. So which one will tell first? Alphabetical order. So 5 bromo and 6 chloro. Then this one is actually cyclo, hex, then 2En, 3YNE. So the type of compound is YNE, unsaturation is double bond, like that. So what's the name? 5 bromo, 6 chloro, cyclo, hex, 2En, hex, not 2En, 1En, I'm sorry, for one only we gave. 1En, X1En, 1En, 3YNE. Option B will come. 5 bromo, 6 chloro, cyclo, X1En. That is 1 cyclohexane, 3YNE. That option B will come. Ready? Yes, B, ready. Yes, okay, great. So we can move to the next question. Where is Gujman? Abu, where is Gujman? Okay, so then we can go to the next question. This is the question. Which of the following is more stable? This is not Gujman. Gujman is my favorite student. He is always attending in the class and all. But today I am not seeing. Okay, where is Gujman? Okay, wanted. We have to post like that. Wanted Gujman. Okay, like that. So Abu, listen. So here, which of the following is more stable? We know that this is phenyl carbocation. Phenyl carbocation is highly unstable. This is highly unstable because that charge is localized. That charge cannot move to anywhere. So that's why highly unstable. This one vinylic carbocation, that also highly unstable. Why? That charge is not delocalized. That is localized. It cannot move anywhere. What about this 3 and 4? This is actually, you are seeing primary carbocation. This is allylic. You may be choose this fourth option. Allylic, yeah, this will be resonance is there. No. Here you have to look this third one. Third one is the answer. Why? In the case of CH3, CH3 and CH2 plus. Here you must have to remember. This H will go to here. There is a rearrangement. Is there. That's called a 1,2 hydride shift. I taught you in the class. So this will become CH3. CH3. This H will go to there. That will become CH3. That will become plus. That means that plus will be shifted to here. Now we go to what? Tertiary carbocation. In the case of tertiary methyl carbocation, 3, 9 alphas are there. 9 alpha means 9 hyperconjugations are there. So tertiary carbocation is, tertiary methyl carbocation is, not every tertiary methyl carbocation is more stable than allylic. It is even more stable than benzylic, primary benzylic. So this is the answer, guys. I hope I taught you very clearly. You got the idea. Yes or no? Ruben Johnny, yes, 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 yes. Okay, so you got the answer. I hope so. Anyhow, study well, guys. Tomorrow we will come with another chapter. So you have to be with us. If you are there along with us, means obviously we have to crack it. We have to get the JEE. Okay, ready? So thank you, guys. Good night. I think Math sir will continue. Okay, Math sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Karthik sir. Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
Bino, no one is there. Hi everyone, good evening. Hi, good evening. Hi, Encore Games. What's your name, friend? Oh, thank you. Hi, Shiny Sabu. Hi, Tufan Fire bhi aa gaya. Shut man, shut your mouth. Hi, Abu. Hi, Triveni Neelam. Good evening, friends. Good evening. Hi, Vaishnavi. Good evening. Good evening, ma. Good evening. So guys, in today's session we had gone with parabola and circles. If you have checked your WhatsApp groups, I have already shared the complete theory. Let it be anonymous, sir. At least message me personally then. Salam. Good evening, Ruben. The theory part of circles, of parabola and problems that we have done in today's session, I have shared it in your WhatsApp groups. I request each one of you to go with the theory, then followed by problems. Okay. Now we will be going with some basic questions from circles. The good thing is, from conic sections we have only basic part. Make sure you are going to do your best in this particular thing. Okay. Because majority of the concepts have been deleted for this academic year 2024. Guys, we'll start all the notes. Yes ma, very good. Chalo, the circle x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0 touches x axis or y axis or touches both, he is asking. Chalo guys, what is center? Now first let's find center, man. What is center? Center is minus g comma minus f. So minus g comma minus f will be minus 2 comma plus 2. Center is minus 2 comma plus 2. Then that becomes radius. What about radius? R is equals to square root of g square plus f square minus c. 4 plus 4 minus 4. 4 plus 4 minus 4. That becomes root 4, which is equals to plus 2. So what happened? Hi Hannah. Good evening, friend. Good evening. See ma, Encore Games. Let's see. So where this particular 2 comma minus 2 comma 2 will be lying in second quadrant. This, suppose this is minus 2, this is plus 2. Radius. Exactly ma. So this particular circle touches, very good Karthik, very good. This circle touches both x axis and y axis, and which is having center at minus 2 comma 2, which is having center minus 2 comma 2 and radius plus 2. That's it. Very good. Done with the first question. Going with the next question, ma. I hope it is so simple, ma. In today's session I have explained it clearly. If a circle touches x-axis, what happens? If a circle touches y-axis, what happens? If a circle touches both the axes, what happens? Yeah. Next, 22nd one. The equation of the circle which touches both the axes, again both the axes, and whose center is x1 comma y1. See guys, so simple it is. So simple. Just looking like answer. Where is Ansh? No doubt, no matter what, everything. See, if there is something wow, it has to look like Ansh, because he is the most handsome, he is the only handsome in our entire classroom, entire school. The most handsome that we had. So now equation of circle which touches both the axes. Both the axes mean there exists one circle which touches both the axes, it seems. What do you mean by that? That means x1 is equals to y1 here, guys. X1 is equals to y1. Radius will be the same x1 or the same, it can be taken as y1 also. Anything. X1 is equals to y1. No sir, it's you. No. That means Encore Games is our Ansh. I understood, man. It is Ansh. I got it. The equation of the circle which touches both the axes. So now center is x1 comma y1. Radius is x1 itself. Chalo, we can just substitute it here. so x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equals to we can replace x1 we can replace x1 as y1 or y1 as x1. x1 as y minus y minus where it is, so plus y minus x1 whole square is equals to radius square x1 square. We can express everything in terms of x1 only. So here we get x square plus x1 square minus 2x into x1 plus y square plus x1 square minus 2y x1 is equals to x1 square. 1x1 square, 1x1 square gets cancelled. From here we get x square plus y square. These two I can take 2x1 common, minus 2x1 if I take common, x plus y I get, plus x1 square is equals to 0. So guys, what will be the option now? Option B. Option B. You should recognize and answer reply anywhere. Exactly, yes, exactly. I understood. See? So option B, guys. See, this might be a bit confusing. This might be a bit confusing. Hi Rohit. Hi friend. Good evening. This might be a bit confusing, but this, if you stick to the pattern, that's it. No need of any particular time also. It just takes maximum 3 or maximum 10 seconds. Next, the equation of the circle whose radius is phi, which touches the circle externally at a point. Friends, two circles touching externally, then distance between their centers C1 C2 is equals to R1 plus R2. That's it. Distance between their centers. First, the equation of the circle whose radius is phi, they have given r is equals to phi, and which touches the circle externally at a point phi comma phi. So guys, suppose this is our circle. One circle we have. This circle has center phi comma phi. Now our circle is touching this particular circle at a point which is externally. So this phi comma phi is the point of intersection of these two circles. Oh sorry, this phi comma phi will be the point of intersection of these two circles. Our C1 C2 given na, C2 is center of this particular circle 1 comma 2. Now radius of this circle is phi. We have this point. What is the radius of second circle? Radius of second circle is R2 is equals to something like 1 plus 4 plus 20, which is nothing but 5 again. Can anyone tell me the coordinates of C1? Why you didn't come from morning physical class, Rohit? Okay. I'll tell you why. He informed me. How do we get C1? Can anyone tell me how do we get C1? Guys? How do we get C1? We have P. How do we get C1? We have C2. How do we get C1? We have distance from C1P and distance from P to C2 also. How do we get C1? Phi comma phi. Beautiful. Very good, Vaishnavi. Very good, Abu. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like Ansh. So yes, P is the midpoint of this particular thing. So midpoint means to get phi, we are supposed to add how much ma? 9 plus 1, 10 by 2 5. So 9 comma to get phi 8. 9 comma 8 will be the center of coordinates of C1. Coordinate, Ansh is blessing, sir. Full oil coming. 9 comma 8, 1 comma 2. That's it, ma. That's it. See, we know center, we know radius. So equation of circle will be x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equals to phi square. That's it. If you are going to simplify it, what happens, boss? X square plus 9 square minus 18x1, 18x, y square plus 88 is 64 minus 16y is equals to 25. So x square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y, 9 square 81 plus 64 85, 8 plus 145, 81 145 minus 25 is equals to 0. So finally we get x square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y plus 120 is equals to 0. 9 comma 8. Super ma, trying to trap me. kuch nahi. See guys, have you understood it or not, the process? Michael, Rohit, we got center. Now just after getting center, yes, it is D plus 18x. No, it's not plus 18x, friend. It is B. Option B ma. Check Vaishnavi. It is B. Minus 18x minus 16y we are supposed to get. I hope everyone understood this. Very good. See, don't get mistaken. If you're not don't be in hurry. Whenever you are marking answers in OMR or in computer based test at CBT, don't be in hurry. Whatever the answer that you get, check the relevant option. Always check the relevant and right option. Take time, take 2 or 3 seconds, but don't be in hurry to answer it. This is what the most important thing, and majority of the students do get mistaken in these cases also. That's it. Now coming to question number 24, the lines, there are 2 lines. These are the diameters of a circle, and area of the circle is also given. Then find the equation of circle. Can anyone tell me the procedure first? How do we get the equation of circle? Today full mistake for physics due to that. I can understand. Very good. Yes, Vaishnavi, you should get center 8 comma 9. So in it equation you will be getting, it will be negative. Beautiful. Very good, Abu. Very good. You always make mistake. That's another thing. Okay, fine, guys. Coming to this question 24, the lines, 2 lines are given. These 2 are the diameters. Point of intersection will be center. Beautiful. Next, okay, we get center. After that, what we are supposed to do? After that, Abu G, x minus x1, why man? Where you got, how do you got ends of the diameters? Only diameters are given, 2 diameters are given. They didn't give you the ends of the coordinates, ends of the diameter. Point of intersection will be center. From there we get radius. Beautiful man, beautiful Vaishnavi, very good, beautiful. So now just do understand this. First solve these 2 equations. For a circle, if you are going to solve 2 diameters, we get center C. Okay. Now after getting center C, area they have given 154. From there we can get area. Okay, that's it. So pi r square, first pi r square is equals to 154. Pi is 22 divided by 7 times r square is equals to 154. 11 2s are 11 1s 4s are 2 1s are 2 7s are. So r is equals to 7. R already we got, only center is left now. So 2x minus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. Solve these 2 guys, 3x minus 4y minus 7 is equals to 0. Can anyone? I guess the center is 1 comma minus 1. Radius is plus 7. Very good, Vaishnavi. Center is 1 comma minus 1. Beautiful. That's it. Once we know center and radius, we can get the equation of circle. That's it. Okay. Now that is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equals to 7 square, which is equals to 49. So get the equation of the required circle in terms of that. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y. Here 1 plus 1 2 minus 40. So my negative 47 will be equals to 0. Minus 2x. For x we will be having minus 2x. Yeah, that's it. Option B. Minus 2x plus 2y is equals to 47. Option B it is. Very good. Very good, friends. Very good. Very good, Vaishnavi. Super prompt response. Super. Abu, Ruben, Ansh, where are you, friends? Very good. Very good. Rohit, Ruben, Johnny, Encore Games, Mr. Ansh alias Ansh. Where were you? Super, ma. Super. Very good. Very good. Rohit, I hope this particular session will definitely help you, because in today's session we discussed the same. I have already shared the notes. So same types of problems itself I was about to say. Okay, I know, Abu. I know. You're smiling now. You're smiling. I can read your smile even from here. Question number 25. A circle touches the y-axis at the point 0, 4. A circle touches the y-axis at a point 0, 4 and cuts the axis. Friends, if you can able to draw the diagram, if you can able to draw, he missed a lot, sir, waste fellow. Yes. If you can able to draw a rough sketch for this particular diagram, we will be easily getting the solution. The only thing, can we able to draw, visualize this particular given part or not? That's it. Chalo, we'll do it together. A circle touches the y-axis at a point 0, 4. Let this be our point 0, 4. Okay, it cuts the x-axis, something like this. It cuts the x-axis. Okay, now let this be the center of the circle. Friends, by using common sense again, what will be the distance? What will be this yellow line distance, boss? What will be this yellow line's distance? What will be this yellow line's distance? What will be this yellow line's distance? Fast. What will be the yellow line distance? What will be this yellow line distance? 4. Very good, Abu. Very good. Because it is touching y-axis. So distance from here to here, this is equals to the perpendicular distance. That means this is also 4. And also he informed that this is a chord. The length of this chord AB is 6. Okay, perpendicular drawn from center to the chord always bisects the chord. Grade 10 circles. Again, grade 10 circles. The perpendicular drawn from center to the chord bisects the chord. So if the total is 6, then we get this as 3. From here to here it as 3. 3. If this is 3, this is 4. Radius will be now 5. Direct answer it is. Direct. Pythagorean triplet. That's it. Very good friends. Very good Aizaz Nazmi. Very good. Yes, Krishna Kumar KK. Very good friend. Very good. I hope you understood. I hope the thing is so clear. Radius is 5. Very good, Vaishnavi. Very good, Abu. All the students who have answered, super fantastic it is. The number of circle having very good question it is again. Number of circles having radius 5 and passing through 2 points, it seems. For they have given you 2 points, boss. One point is -2, 0. The other point is 4, 0. First find, whenever they give you 2 points, first find the distance between those 2 points. Okay, the number of triangles of required radius, first check the distance between 2 points. What is the distance between these 2 points? Root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The distance from A to B is AB is equals to 6 now. AB is equals to 6. Now, the number of circles having radius 5 means definitely diameter is going to be 10. Diameter is going to be 10 for our circle. For the required circle, diameter is 10. Very good, Vaishnavi. Very good, Karthik. Diameter is 10. That means our circle as the diameter is more, so definitely this can be like one circle can be like this with the center to this side, or another circle can be in this way where center to this side. So how many? Yes, exactly. Yes, Karthik, correct. 2 circles. That's it. 2 circles can be drawn. These 2 points having radius as 5 units, which means diameter. Very good. 2 circles. Very good, Abu. Very good, Aizaz. Very good, Vaishnavi. Very good. It's such a simple question. It is such a simple question. Next, the equation of the circle which touches x-axis and whose center is 1, 2. Guys, I hope we can do it very easily. Which touches x-axis, na? Our circle is touching x-axis, guys. Our circle is touching x-axis. Now, and has center 1, 2. If it has center 1, 2, so our point is, what is this point was? This particular point is 1, 0. Ho gaya. We know center, we can get radius. What is radius? R will be equals to directly, radius is nothing but 2. No need of finding anything. radius to center 1 comma 2. That's it. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to 2 square, which is equals to 4. I hope you got it. It's such an easy way. Option C, x square, I write it. No, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y 1 plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 0. Minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. Option B. Simple question. Yes, friend, it is option B, simple question. Correct. Next question. The locus of the center of the circle which cuts off intercepts of length 2a, 2b from x-axis and y-axis respectively. This is so simple, ma. Locus of the center. Locus of minus, what is this, Karthik? No issues. Karthik, okay, no issues, friend, no issues, man. No issues. Intercept form. See, yeah, what is x-intercept? They have given clearly x-intercept as 2a. So this 2a should be equals to, what is our x-intercept formula? 2 into, Abu Hamad, it's your influence. 2 into root g square minus c. What is y-intercept? 2b is equals to 2 root f square minus c. Now from here we can get g square minus c is equals to a square, and f square minus c is equals to b square. If you are going to eliminate them, eliminate c, we don't want c, minus plus minus, then we get g square minus f square is equals to a square minus b square. We need locus for g comma f only, center of the circle only, no? So in place of g put x square minus y square is equals to a square minus b square. This will be the locus of the center of the circle which makes intercepts length 2a and 2b on corresponding x and y axis. I hope you understood, friends. I hope x square minus y square is equals to a square minus b square, which is nothing but option C. Very good, Vaishnavi. Abu, Rohit, Karthik, Ruben, dear friends, I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood, ma. I hope you have understood. Last two more questions, friends. Very good, ma. Very good. If the lines are tangents to a circle, can anyone tell me which type of tangents they are? There are two tangents, it seems. There are two tangents, then they are asking us to get the radius of the circle. How do we get? There are two tangents, it seems, friends. How do we get the radius of our circle? How do we get the radius of our circle? Sir, extend session, we need you. Oh my God. Sure, Abu, sure. Anything for you, anytime for you. Wow. Super. That's it. Vaishnavi, yes, excellent. They are parallel tangents, boss. They are parallel tangents. Abu, don't get mistaken. If two tangents are parallel, friends, the distance between those two parallel tangents is nothing but our diameter. The distance between those two parallel tangents is our diameter. Can we use end of diameter? No. We need radius, man. That's it. Just find the distance between two lines. Radius will be equal. Just find the distance between these 2 points. That's it. Distance between these 2 points. Distance between these two lines. First, to do that, we have to equate the coefficients. Multiply the first line with 2. So we get 6x minus 8y plus 8 is equals to 0. Now, what is the distance between two parallel lines? Very good, Abu. Very good. Distance between two parallel lines, mod of c1 minus c2 by root a square plus b square. So mod of 8 minus of minus 7, 8 plus 7 divided by root a square plus b square, 6 square plus 8 square. Mod of 8 plus 7, that is 15 divided by root 6 square plus 5, this is 10, 15 by 10, 5 3s are 5 2s are, which is equals to 3 by 2. But this is our diameter. Diameter is 3 by 2. They are asking us to get radius. 3 by 4 it is. Radius it is. Now they are asking us to find only radius. So radius will be 3 by 4. Half the diameter. Rohit, I hope you understood, friend. Rohit, Abu beta. This is YouTube live. Control yourself. TK Karthik, TK. I hope, guys, you have understood. Simple one. There are two parallel tangents. For these two parallel tangents, we already know the distance between these two parallel tangents will be the diameter of the given circle. That's it. If you know, once we find the distance between these two lines, see, more important thing, the moment you get 3 by 2, 95% of the students mark it as option A. Mark it as option A. 95% students mark it as option A. But we shouldn't do that, because they are not asking diameter, they are asking us to find the radius of that particular circle. Okay guys, next one. Last question for today's session, guys. Radius of the circle is 11, then k is equals to, simple formula, root g square plus f square minus c, equate it to 11, guys, equate it to 11. From there get the value of k. Let me see who is going to be the first one to give this answer. Speaking of that, where is Ruben? Yes, where is Ruben? He doesn't like Ruben, where are you, man? Where are you? My friend, where are you, man? See, root g square plus f square minus c. Where is g? What is the value of g, friends? What is the value of g? G is 9. So 9 square plus f square, 6 square minus k is equals to square of 121. Square of 11 square is 121. 11 square is 121. So 9 square is 81 plus 36 minus k is equals to 121. 87 plus 30 minus k is equals to 121. 87 plus 30 will be 117. 117. Yes, 117 minus 121 is equals to plus k. Therefore k is equals to minus 4 is our answer. K is equals to -4. Very good, friends, very good. Vaishnavi, Karthik, Mike, Rohit, Abu, Ruben, where are you, man? I miss you. Ansh, kya hua beta? Kya hua? So friends, these are the questions, these are the 10 questions that we have discussed from circles. Apart from this, I have shared clear notes of both circles and parabola to your WhatsApp groups, and also the solutions of the problems that we have discussed in our complete material I have shared in your WhatsApp groups. If you have any doubt with respect to any question or any concept, feel free to get it resolved by me. Okay, so that's it for today's, guys. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye. See you. God bless you all. Good night, everyone.
Welcome to
Amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you're rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
Halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving 2 equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into 2 equal half this fin.